After the expensive shuttle diplomacy missions, it is back to the drawing board. But reading between the lines, the reaction of Kenya's permanent representative to the UN, Kamau Macharia, as well as that of Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, it was a case of two-pronged approach to stopping the ICC cases, that the means may be through two routes, deferral or referral, but the purpose is the same. Kenya first, peace first, reforms first, sovereignty first.
Kwamba sisi sio nchi ambayo inaweza ikasemekana kama imeanguka, ambayo hawezi kujisimamia kwa mambo ya mahakama.
Literally, there seems to be no light at the end of the first tunnel, and the next and last option is to take the tunnel towards the Hague city. That is, tell the ICC to stop the cases because Kenya is willing, is genuine and able to handle them. This is an option the ICC had recommended to the government in January this year in Nairobi.
We would like to see that the Kenyan government engages with the court, because this is something that can be discussed with the court itself. So there is no need to go to the Security Council of the United Nations. You can do that with the court.
And for it to bear fruit, here is some advice.
If you want to challenge admissibility on the basis of actual proceedings, actual national prosecutions, otherwise the challenge may simply not be successful, because that's the drafting of Article 19 and the logic of Article 19. You can only challenge admissibility of a case if you have genuine national prosecutions against the same persons for the same crimes.
Time is a major factor in this option. Just how long will Kenya put in place a credible criminal justice system? Legal experts say Kenya needs to revamp the judicial system, the prosecution system, and implement police reforms. Is it a matter of just changing the heads of those institutions? When will the related legislation on the operation of those institutions be implemented? Is there government goodwill?
The ghost of impunity, as they say, will have to be slayed. Lazima achinjwe.
What is clear is that in dealing directly with the ICC, politics won't help much. It will be a legal battle, and that route will require the services of the Attorney General. Observers say challenging the ICC will no longer be about lobbying, as was seen in the controversial shuttle diplomacy, but although relatively less expensive, it may be long drawn. Alex Chamwada, Sunday Live, Nairobi.